Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here on the Ethereum chart, we start on the daily chart just to give you a good idea of the overall context we're dealing with. And the idea is still here that this is a pullback very deep into support. And from here, we could start a fifth wave rally. Currently, the support area on the daily chart is still located between $1,790 and $2,098 as per previous updates. This is already a very deep pullback for a wave 4, but what you often find in textbooks is that they explain that in a so-called diagonal pattern, which in my opinion this one is, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, that the wave 1 and the wave 4 overlap, and that is precisely what we have here. It is not an absolute must. It doesn't need to be like that, but in this case, it seems to be like that. Now, there is no confirmation for an upside reversal yet, but it's definitely something we are watching for. The $1,790 level is located at the 61.8 retracement, a very, very important Fibonacci support, and $1,790 did hold. And if the price breaks below it, it should send us to that next support level, located around $1,529. This would just be structural support. It is not so meaningful from an Elliott wave point of view, but if we are really in a fourth wave with one more high to come, then below the 61.8 retracement, the next main level that we are normally watching in a diagonal pattern is the B wave low of wave 3. And as I said, this is around $1,529. So for now, we are watching if the price can generate an upside reversal from here. To get some clarity about that, we are watching the smaller time frame, of course. You might remember from yesterday's update that I shared with you a support zone, a micro support zone here for the yellow wave 4 correction on the micro level. And that did hold. Again, the price did react to the 61.8 retracement here on the smaller time frame. Also, that yellow trend line provided some support. Not directly, there was a brief break below that yellow trend line, but still the price reacted to it and the buyers came in exactly there. And we've now rallied into the first micro resistance area. Now, there are two wave counts, two structures I'm tracking here really on the smaller time frame. The first one is highlighted in yellow. That is an A, B, C structure. And then in this C wave to the upside, we've already seen waves 1 and 2, probably also the third wave. This year would be the fourth wave. We're now in the fifth wave to the upside. This is only one interpretation. In reality, there will be other wave counts, other scenarios that work well here. For me, that wave count kind of makes sense. I could also imagine that the B wave never finished on the 13th of March, but actually it is a triangle pattern and finished here. But then the structure here doesn't make much sense. There are always ways how you can interpret this, but it is not so much about finding that perfect Elliott wave structure. It is about identifying a structure that works, that also can be used for trading, and that gives us clarity. At the moment, I think we can still watch for potentially one more high. However, the price would next need to break above $2,041. There's a resistance zone between $2,003 and $2,041, and then one more high could complete that C wave. What I need to see either way as a first solid confirmation that a substantial low in this larger time frame wave 4, in this larger degree wave 4 form, that is substantial low indeed formed, I need to see all 5 waves in the white scenario. And that hasn't happened yet, which means we need to push higher once more. There is some resistance around $2,085. Then I need to see another higher low and another higher high, and that is what we're going to watch for over the weekend and next week. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.